Good morning, 7th class students. In the previous class, we learnt about the picture question and answers, and also we learnt about the glossary. Today, in this class, we start our new lesson, that is A, reading. Here, in this lesson, the name of the lesson is the town mouse and the country mouse. I already explained you about the town mouse and the country mouse. So a mouse means rat. Two rats are there. One rat it is living in the town and another it is living in the countryside. Town mouse, country, I already explained. You should not confuse here. Country means village. Country means village. So one mouse it is living in the town and another mouse it is living in the country. So in the town where it is living, the town mouse it is living in the kitchen cupboard in the mouse town. The town mouse it is living in the kitchen cupboard. Already you know mouses where they live. They live generally in the racks or in the holes or in some of the hidden parts, hidden regions. Here the town mouse it is living in the kitchen cupboard in the mouse town, whereas the country mouse where it is living, the country mouse it is living in the mouse hole in the fields. Already you know country means it is called as village and it is filled with greenery. So the village it contains the fields. In the fields the country mouse it is living in the mouse hole. So it is clear for you. The town mouse it is living in the kitchen cupboard and the country mouse it is living in the mouse hole in the fields. Now we start our lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. What happened to the town mouse and what are the situations this town mouse and the country mouse they faced while they are traveling from one place to that of the another place. For example, the town mouse it went to the country, whether it felt whether it adjusted to that situation or not, and the country mouse when it visited the town, whether it is adjusting the town life or not, just we see. The town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often wrote to each other. One day, the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. So, both the town mouse and the country mouse, both of them are cousins. Cousins means what? Chinnana, pednana, pillal antaru kada. So, they are called as cousins. So, they often wrote to each other. Wrote to each other. What wrote means what? They are frequently in touch with the help of the letters. Whenever they use it to find the time, they use it to write with the help they use it to talk in the form of the letters. One day the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. Who got the letter? The country mouse. It received a letter from the town mouse. What is that letter? Let's just see. Kitchen cupboard. Already I said where the town mouse it is living, in the kitchen cupboard, mouse town, and the date is 11th March 2012. Dear cousin, who is here? Cousin, dear cousin, country mouse. Town mouse is writing to that of the country mouse. The country mouse here, it is informing what happened. I have been ill. Who is I here? Town mouse. So who is ill? The town mouse is ill with a cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. I need a holiday means as it was suffering from fever, the doctor insisted him to take the rest in the countryside, to take a holiday. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. With warm regards, your affectionately town mouse. To country mouse, mouse hole, mouse country. What it is saying, the town mouse as it is ill, as it is not feeling well, the doctor insisted him to go to that of the country and spend a few days in the countryside so that his health will be recovered. As it was said by the doctor, basing on that instruction, it wrote letter to whom? To his cousin who is living in the countryside. Next, who received the invitation? As soon as this country mouse it received the letter, again it wrote a reply to that of the town mouse. Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. As soon as this town mouse, it received a letter from his cousin, that is called as country mouse, reply letter. Already town mouse, it wrote a letter to the country mouse. What it wrote? As I am not feeling well, I am coming to the country. So the country mouse, what it replied? Come soon, I will be waiting. So as soon as this town mouse, it received the letter from the country mouse, then the town mouse, it packed his bags and everything, and caught to the next train. That means it went on the train to the top of the countryside. When it was traveling in the countryside, the day was bright. How was the day while it was traveling? The day was bright and sunny. Sunny means what? That was very bright, and it has on that day the sun is very hot. And soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. As the day was bright and sunny, the town mouse, it felt very hot in the train. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself. Who said to himself? The town mouse. It is saying to himself that I thought that this train has a air-conditioned coach. What is meant by an air-conditioned coach here? Air-conditioned coach means air-conditioned compartment. Already you know, the trains, it has some compartments, and that compartments, they are divided into several compartments. One compartment sleeper class, one compartment for luggage, one compartment AC compartment, one compartment is a reservation compartment, like that. As the train, it is going to the top of the village, this town mouse, it thought that there was a air conditioned coach, but it was not there. So it has to go in an ordinary compartment. I feel very uncomfortable here. I feel very uncomfortable. I means whom here? I refers to that of the town mouse. How it is feeling? It is feeling uncomfortable. Why it is feeling uncomfortable? Because the town mouse, when it was traveling to the countryside, the day was bright and it was sunny. As the day was bright, sunny and hot, it was very uncomfortable to travel in the ordinary compartment. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. So as soon as it entered into the train started, and at last this town mouse, it reached its destination. Where was its destination? Where it is going? It is going towards the countryside to meet his country mouse. So when it went to that station, what happened? So he grumbled to himself. Grumbled means he prepared all the things, and the train chugged slowly. When you have traveled in the trains, have you observed any sound which was coming in the trains? Generally, when you are traveling in the trains, when the village it is coming, how the train it starts? It makes a noise and it slowly moves when the village is coming. Similarly, as the country is very near, the train stopped slowly and it was making noise, so that everyone has to be alert, and they has to know that the train it is coming. So chugged slowly. Chugged means what? Slowly it was stopping in that of the village, where the country mouse it is waiting to see his cousin called as a town mouse. Oh cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. As soon as this country mouse it is seen by the town mouse, what the town mouse said? Oh cousin, I am here. The town mouse, as soon as he got off the train, it said, the train was dreadful. Dreadful means what? It was very hot. I cannot bear in the train. And I felt terribly hot and thirsty. As the day was bright and sunny, it felt very hot and thirsty. I hope you have something that is ice cold water, or you have or any lemonade or orange juice for me. Already you know, when the people who are living in the countryside, what they prefer generally? They go for the coconut water, or either they go for the pot water. As this mouse it is living in the town side, as the train was uncomfortable for this mouse, it is asking to the country mouse whether you have got some ice cold water for me to drink, because I am very thirsty. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse, but I can look around for some coconut water if you like. I brought water. If you want the water, I will get that coconut water. Here we don't have any ice cold water. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. Don't have any orange juice or lemonade? Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade or ice cold water? You have only the coconut water. I don't drink the coconut water. I am afraid not, replied his cousin, but I found a very nice piece of fruit today and a tender bit of sugar cane. I am sure you will enjoy that. At last they reached their house, and that country mouse, it is offering food to that of the town mouse. What it is offering already, as the country mouse, it is living in the fields, in the holes of the fields. It ate what in the morning? It had a nice root. Root means what? Plants already they will be having roots, and that root it contains sugar cane. So it was very nice. The root was very nice, and it is having sugar cane. It is a sugarcane crop, and that root it is very fine for me, and I ate in the morning that only breakfast and lunch. I am giving the same breakfast and lunch for you also. The town mouse, the country mouse is saying to that of the town mouse. Root sugarcane? The town mouse exclaimed, but I don't eat raw food like that. What it is saying, already it is living in the town. So the town mouse, what it is saying, I don't like that sugar cane, that is a sugar cane crop containing the root. I prefer only the foods which are the fast foods. I am living in the town. I don't prefer this type of the foods. The country mouse, that is what we eat in the country. So I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it. It's not bad. So the town mouse, the country mouse is saying to that of the town mouse, in the countryside we eat this type of the food only, that is a root and a tender bit of the sugar cane. I eat only the kind of a food only. You too has to adjust here. You have to eat the same kind of the food which I am taking. That is a nice piece of the root, that is a tender bit of sugar cane. As it is a sugar cane crop, the root it is very nice and it is very tender. It is also very sweet. You can have that for your food. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, there you are, you can sleep there. So as it was not liking the food, it ate. Only a little amount of the food was eaten by this town mouse, and this country mouse shown him a place where this town mouse has to sleep. Already you know, in the country, in the village side where the people they live, they sleep, generally they sleep on the bare land or on the bare floors only. They don't take this cots or beds, and they won't prefer this type of the luxurious lives. They will be going as that of a natural life. So this country mouse, it showed a corner to sleep for the town mouse. On the ground, asked the town mouse, do I have to sleep on the ground? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country, his cousin answered. The town mouse is asking, as I am living in the town, I have to sleep on the ground? No, I won't sleep on the ground. I want any cot or any bed. That country mouse, it is replying, yes, you have to sleep on this floor only, as we don't have that type of the facilities. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. So as the country mouse, it shown a corner, so it went to sleep. As the facilities are not there, she has to adjust to that of the environment. So it went to sleep at the place where it was very hard. The ground, it was very hard and it was very cold. So it went there, and suddenly he called, cousin, cousin. Yes, what is it? The country mouse asked. Yes, what happened? The country mouse is asking to that of the town mouse. Why is it so quiet here? Where are all the cars and the lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are the lights? The town mouse is asking why the country is very quiet, why we are not hearing any kind of the noise here, why there is no noise of the cars, lorries, radios, televisions, and there are also no lights, why the country it is very so silent. This is how it is in the country. His cousin replied, it's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is quieter among all the villages in our district. Oh, is it? The country is a strange place, said the town mouse. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. So the country mouse is replying to that of the town mouse. What it is replying? As the town it is very noisy, because in the towns we will be having lot of vehicles, they will be moving day and night. In the night also it appears like that of the day, as the lights are very bright. So this town mouse, it is confused. Why the sound is not here? Why we hear more amount of the noise in the towns? The country mouse, it is replying, this is a country where it is like this only. It is a very quieter in this village. My grandfather used to say that this is our village where it is more quieter than any other village in this district. So this is a country, it is a very strange place where we are very peaceful and quiet. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm to search for food. So as usual, the day was passed away. That means the town mouse slept in that corner which was shown by the country mouse. And in the early morning when he woke up, the country mouse, it gave him a tender bit of sugarcane root. But what does this town mouse it prefer generally? As it is living in the town, it won't eat this kind of the food. It prefer for that of the breakfast. So when it woke up, it found that there was no breakfast ready. We are sure to find something there, he said. A nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugarcane. Here we don't have that breakfast, lunch or anything. Directly you have to go for the fields and you have to go and search for a tender bit of the sugarcane root. So now come, you search for the root and you have that food. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I'll catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. So as this town mouse was not feeling happy with this food, so next only, that means within the few hours only, this town mouse it catch to the next train and it went to that of the town. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse, here is the letter. So after the town mouse, it went to that of the town and the country mouse there in the country. After few days, that means after a longer period, again this country mouse wrote a letter. First time the town mouse wrote a letter, next time the country mouse is writing a letter. From where the country mouse is writing? The country mouse is writing the letter from the mouse hole, mouse country. So my dear cousin, I hope you are well. I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. I hope you are fine and you become very, health is very good, I think. I'll be happy to hear that you are very happy. With love, your cousin, country mouse, to town mouse, kitchen cupboard, mouse town. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is his telegram. What is a telegram and a letter? Letter it is sent in a slow manner and telegram it is a very fast way and it is a very urgent way. So this town mouse it sent a telegram. What it sent a telegram? Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. I am very happy to see a letter coming from you. So I am very happy to feel that you are coming to our town. So we will be really happy to receive you. So come soon as possible to that of the town. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. So as soon as the telegram was received by the country mouse started to go to that of the town mouse. In the next class, we will read about what happened to that of the country mouse when it went to that of the town.